In the previous video, I showed you how quick and easy it is to set up a brand new cloud server. And in this video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to turn that into a LAMP server. I'm going to assume that you're familiar with the term LAMP, but if you're not, a quick introduction is that it's an acronym and it stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. It's the basic framework that WordPress requires, and pretty much any PHP-driven content management system is going to run on a LAMP server. For Ubuntu 14.04, it's actually really easy to install LAMP. It really only takes 3 commands: apt-get update-y to update the repositories, apt-get upgrade-y to install any new packages, and then finally apt-get install lamp-server --y. And this will automate and install all of the packages necessary for Apache, MySQL, and PHP. And I think you'll find it's very simple. Otherwise, you'd have to go and install each of those packages, or rather each of those individual components of LAMP using different commands. So let's go ahead and give this a try. I am back in my Rackspace control panel, and here is the server that I created earlier, web.wordpress.com. And here's the IP address that I'm going to use to connect to it. But let me show you a neat trick. If you click on the server and go to the Cloud Server Detail page, over in the right-hand corner, you'll see this SSH command in the sidebar. This is the command that we need in order to connect to the server. I'm going to assume that you're familiar with SSH, but quick and easy shortcut is you can just copy this, drop this into your terminal application, and hit enter. Go ahead and type in yes. We need to put the password that we saved earlier, so I'm going to paste that in there. And now we're connected via SSH to the cloud server. Let's go ahead and put in those 3 commands. Now the first one is apt-get update-y, and as I mentioned before, this is going to update any of the repositories, so we have all of the latest packages available to us. Once that finishes running, we're going to run the next command, which is apt-get upgrade-y. And now that we have repositories that have all of the latest packages available, this command will download those latest packages and make sure that they're installed on the server. This makes sure that it's secure, patched, and that it's going to be running as optimal as possible. Once the upgrade finishes running, we can run the last command, which is apt-get install lamp-server --y. And this is going to install Apache, MySQL, and PHP for us. As a matter of fact, for MySQL, in order to get that installed, we need to give it a root password. So let's go ahead and do that. Once the install finishes, you can check to see if you have everything installed just by using a couple of more commands. So first of all, let's go ahead and try service Apache 2 status. We see that Apache 2 is running. We can also run service MySQL status. We show that MySQL is also running. And then we can also do php-v, and we see which version of PHP is installed. So it looks like as of right now, we have Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP running on our cloud server. So the next step is let's go ahead and install WordPress, which is going to be the next video.